In this video, we're going to look at how to sum positive numbers in Excel using an Excel formula. In this example, we have a list of companies in column B and their profit and loss in column C. And what we want to do here is to sum the values of those companies that only made a profit, therefore adding only positive numbers. We can do this by using the SUMIF function. So let's begin by entering the formula into cell E3. Equals SUMIF, open parentheses. The first argument of the SUMIF function is the range to which we'll be applying the criteria to. In this example, that's going to be range C3 through to C9. So let's go ahead and select this range, followed by a comma. The second argument is the criteria that we want to apply. Therefore, this is where we specify that we only want the formula to sum values that are greater than 0, because any number greater than 0 is a positive. The way we achieve this is through the use of the greater than sign, followed by 0, and then enclose this in double quotation marks. So let's enter this into the formula. We'll start off with the double quotation marks, then a greater than sign, 0, and another double quotation marks. The third argument is the sum range. This argument is optional, and if omitted from the formula, the range in the first argument, which is the range against which we are applying the criteria, will be summed. In this example, given that we want to sum from the same range that we specified in our first argument, we can exclude this argument from our formula. So let's complete the formula with a closing parentheses and press the enter key. And that's it. The formula now returns the sum of those companies that only made a profit, which is the sum of only positive numbers. I hope you found this video useful. If you did, please click that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.